Now you guys can see it moves, not weighed down by any products or anything like that. It completely moves. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be tackling this head of mine. As you can see, this is what I'm currently looking like, up in a bun. I've had this bun for like a little over a week now, and it's time to get done. So we are going to be showing you, or I'm going to be showing you, how I silk press my hair. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm not going to show you that part because it's just washing my hair. I'm going to wash my hair 3 times with this. This is the Alpha G Keratin and Green Tea Shampoo. So I'm going to wash my hair 3 times with this. I'm going to be using these two. So this is the Alpha G 2-step protein treatment, and this is the balancing moisturizer. So I do have this. So after I wash my hair with this, I'm going to go in with the protein treatment, and then after I finish the protein treatment, I'm going to be using the moisturizer. Don't scream when you see my hair. Oh gosh, but guys, oh my gosh, I have nothing on my hair. I have nothing on my hair. Let me just go ahead and plug this up. So after sorry you guys hear my hair. After washing my hair out from the with the conditioner, my hair feels so good. It just feels amazing. Yes, it feels amazing. I look crazy, I know, whatever. But I did put my hair in some sections when I was detangling my hair, because it'll just be easier to it's just easier to detangle my hair in sections, right? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all this up into my clip, and I'm gonna start with this section back here. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick, because in a second I'm going to go off camera to finish the rest of this, because honestly it's going to take me a little bit of time. I mean, it's not as long as it would take me if I was using my regular blow dryer, and then honestly my regular blow dryer wouldn't do this. First of all, there's a bunch of shine, it's bounce, and this is just with the blow dryer. This is not even a flat iron yet, so it's giving. It's definitely giving. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead. Again, this is what it's currently looking like after just using the round brush blow dryer. And I will come back once I am either almost done or fully done with the blow dry process. I do want to say, when you are blow drying, especially when you are trying to get a nice silk press on your hair, or at least an at-home DIY silk press, you want to definitely make sure that you are going in sections. That's number one. When you're doing the blow dry process, is to go in sections. Don't go in big sections. I particularly go into small sections. So as you guys can see, I did this bottom half first, and then I did this section. So for me, this is going to be 4. So it's one here and 1 here, and then in those 4 sections I split the 4 sections into 2. So then that's going to be 2 sections here, 2 sections here, 2 here, and 2 here. Sometimes when I get up here, I do split it into 3, just because it's a little bit thicker in the crown area versus in the back. My back is not as thick as my crown for me, so you definitely want to make sure you have it in 2 sections so that you can get the best blow dry process completed, as well as whenever you're doing the flat iron process, right? Because if you want a good silk press that's going to last, that's at home, and you're doing it yourself, you want to make sure you have really good products that you're using and good tools. And so for me, I use the Alpha G collection whenever I'm going to do a silk press at home, whereas if I was just doing something like a twist out or just like a regular wash day, I would use this. I typically use my Aussie for this Miracle Curls, and I also have the conditioner over here. So this is what I typically use whenever I am just doing like a regular wash day. But whenever I'm doing a silk press, I use the Alpha G. I could probably use this to do a silk press, but for some reason this doesn't give me the same results as the Alpha G products do, right? So again, the products you use, and then obviously I do my protein treatments whenever I do silk press, simply because I want to make sure that I get the best results, and I want to make sure that my hair is still healthy as well. And I'm just going to tap my roots first. All right, so I got my roots. Now I'm going to go ahead and go through the hair. Slowly and one time. And again, the roots were just done a couple times, like a couple passes, but the rest isn't. So yeah, just gonna continue. Make sure you're taking small sections, guys. I'm going down the hair shaft slowly. Definitely forgot a little piece there. All right, you guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, I am finished with my hair. So I'm just going to fix my middle part. I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out for you guys and do a little 360. All right, so that took me quite a while because I had to stop. I am home and I am working, so between getting on the computer, coming back and doing my hair, get all that. So, but here's what we're looking like. I just want to, let me stand up and stand back and show you. All right, so here's what my hair looks like right now from the silk press. I think I'm going to curl it, but that won't be today. I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'll curl it on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so Saturday I will curl it. But let me go ahead and give you guys a nice little 360. That's the back. No weight to my hair, just shiny, and yeah, looks pretty good. So here's the thing, what I want to do. Bring my chair back over here. I am going to use some of this Motions Oil Sheet and Conditioning Spray. I know you're probably like, for what? Yeah, I'm gonna use some of this on my hair. Not a lot, just a little. So this is holding spray, and this stuff, yeah, it does the job. So, and I just want to brush that through, and that's it. I'm not going to spray anymore. That's all I needed to spray. That stuff gets sticky and it gets on your skin. I need to get myself dressed for the day. But yes, this is where we at. This is what we look like. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys I am done. Thank you again for watching me do this nice silk press on my hair. Maybe when I curl my hair, I'll come back and show you guys how my hair looks once it's curled. But I need to go ahead and get back to work. I need to change. I need to get back to work. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.